HooplaKidz How To presents Cheeky Art!
Hey kids, today we're gonna learn how to make a witch hat. For this we're gonna need a paper plate, a conical party hat, black paint, green and orange wool, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so let's start. This is actually quite simple. What I've done is I've taken a paper plate and a part of a hat and painted them both black. Now I need to cut out the middle portion of the paper plate, so I first make a little hole with a toothpick and then put the scissors into the hole and start cutting all the way around. A brim of the paper plate is gonna form the brim of the witch hat and this big hole in the center. Well, that's where the conical hat will go. But first, the witchy hair. Take bunches of green and orange wool and stick them to the conical hat. You can use some glue, though sellotape's a lot faster, and if you're getting impatient to get into your witch gear, just go with the sellotape. Make 2 stringy pigtails and time to complete the hat. There you go. Simple. And it sits quite well too. See you soon.
And welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Halloween decor. So let's get started with a blank sheet of white paper. I'm going to use some black paint to paint a tree. Doesn't that look great? let's draw the branches. Perfect! Now let's paint some bats. I have a new piece of white paper and I'm using my black paint to create some bats. Once that's all dry, we're going to cut it out. Use some scissors and make sure you get rid of every bit of white paper. Perfect. Now let's cut out the bats too. Great! Now I'm going to take some glue and glue the white side of the bats and the tree. Now what you can do is stick them onto a wall or a shelf. Look how cool that looks! What an awesome decoration! And so simple! Amazing Halloween wall decorations! Now we're going to make some awesome Halloween ghost garlands. So let's take a cupcake case. I'm cutting it in half. Then I'm going to roll it on top of itself like so. I'm using a stapler to secure it. Perfect! Great! Now we need to draw a face using a black marker pen. You can make all different faces, happy, scary, sad, whatever you want. Now I have a needle and thread. I'm using white cotton and I'm simply threading the needle through one side and out the other. We're going to line up all of the ghosts in a row. And there you have it, a creepy ghost garland. Next, I'm going to make a Halloween Pom-Pom Spider. First up, I have some black wool for the pom-pom. So take your hand and wind the wool around and around and around. You want a giant lump. Next, I'm going to tie some wool around the middle. What we do next is cut around the edges. We want to cut the loops and then trim it to make sure that it's even. Next, we're going to make a smaller pom-pom. Repeat exactly the same process to do this, and then let's glue the two together. Perfect. Now I'm taking some black pipe cleaners. These are going to be the legs. I'm cutting the pipe cleaners in half, and then I'm using some glue to stick them onto the pom-pom. Remember, we want 8 legs, 4 on each side. I'm bending the ends to make the feet. Next up, I'm going to get some white felt for the eyes. I'm cutting out some circles and then using some black felt for the pupils. Glue them together. And then we're going to glue the eyes onto the spider. Perfect! Isn't that awesome? A Halloween pom-pom spider. Next up, I'm going to make some Halloween lights. I have a ping pong ball for this, and I'm gluing a googly eye on the front. Next up, I'm cutting a hole in the back. Perfect. Set that aside. Now I'm going to draw a Halloween face using a black marker pen. I'm also creating another hole. And this is where we put the fairy lights in. So pop the fairy lights in, and there you have it. You've got an awesome Halloween garland of lights. Perfect! Halloween lights. That's how you make your very own Halloween decor. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. I'll see you again next time. Bye!